online shoppers, I want to share with you this really cool Stanley Base Camp Cook Set. Now this is everything you need for 4 people to go camping. This is really cool. My family and I are just about to head off on a trip into the backcountry. We're gonna haul our boat, find a campsite along the shore, swim, fish, live the outdoor life. Let's see how this is going to be and if it's going to be something that we can really use. Let's get started. Nice packaging. Okay, look at this. It all comes out in a really nice compact package. Now, they advertise this as the complete kitchen. This is everything that you would need to do your camping care. You can see on the top, it's got an elastic closure to keep everything compact. So you just have to put it like this to take it off, just like that. And then this can be removable as well, so you don't have to worry about it getting burned in the fire. There is the lid, and look at how convenient this is. Typical of Stanley, they would do something very thoughtful. The top of this actually has etched into it all of the different parts and how to stack them so that you can get it to compact down exactly like it is. I am already impressed. That is wicked cool. So here is the first part coming out, which is, oh my gosh, a really nice frying pan. Now this has some heft to it. This is nice and sturdy. It's one of those ones that's an insulated bottom, so you're not gonna burn even if you're putting it right on direct flames. It's gonna help you to have good cooking while you were there. Nice, compact. In order to compress the handle, all you have to do is squeeze it and then it folds underneath. And then as soon as you do that, it actually locks in place. It's nice and sturdy. Of course, you have to get the instruction manual. Now here are all of the utensils. The utensils are really cool. They come collapsible so that everything fits in here. They will connect together with just a little clip like that. Here is the spatula. So you just have to actually clip it in just like that. And then you've got a really nice long spatula. So you have that. You also do the same thing with a spoon. Same thing, you just click it in place like that. And then you've got your spoon, really nice. You've got 4 really nice lightweight plastic bowls for soup. You've also got 4 really nice lightweight plastic plates for eating on. Let's see what's next. On the bottom, you have, this is a little container for your sporks, spoons and forks combined together. You get 4 of them to go with your dishes. You get a little silicone mat for placing down so that when you have something hot, you aren't placing it directly on anything. You actually have that really nice little mat there. And this is a dish drying rack. So you can use it either as a base to set your pot on after you've put the silicone down, or you can use it when you're drying your dishes. If you turn it like this, the edge of the dishes will fit in here and they can dry really nicely. That is super cool. So you have that. And then you have this really great pot. This is really nice and sturdy. It's a 3-liter pot, good sturdy stainless steel, so it's going to stand up to the test of time. In total, this is 19 pieces in one compact container, and it gives you the convenience of your kitchen in the outdoors. Okay, now that we've got it out of the box, let's do a really close look at everything that you get. So you do get 4 dishes and 4 bowls, plastic, nice lightweight, and you've got these great sporks. So you have a combination of spoons and forks, which is really nice. This is a vented lid for going on your pot, which means you've got a place for steam to escape. And another really cool thing about this, I think if I hold this the right way, you can see it. You can actually see that the list of components is put in here, and it shows you how to stack everything so that it all fits right back in the container when you take the bottom and the top and you attach it with the bungee. Great for compact packing. While I have the lid up, I'll show you here. You get this nice little compact cutting board. You can even use it as a spoon rest when you're cooking. You also get these collapsible utensils. So these ones here, you can see how they fit together just like that with a little clip, and then to take them apart, you squeeze and they compact down really nice. Over here, we have the drying rack, and it has these little slots in it right here where your bowls and your dishes can stand up to dry after you've washed them. You can use your pot for a wash basin if you need to. And this one right here is the 3-ply frying pan. Now this is really cool. As I showed you before when I opened the box, it has a locking handle. So all you have to do is squeeze this and the handle collapses down. And as soon as you open it, it locks, and then although it's a little bit shaky, it is sturdy and will support any weight that's in the pan. This is a 3-ply frying pan. You can see the layers. It has stainless steel. Inside the middle is aluminum, and then another layer of stainless steel inside, which means that this is going to be great for when you're cooking because you're not going to have burn happen immediately because you're on an uneven flame of a heat source. This is going to help even everything out when you're cooking and make sure that you have a really good cooking experience with the frying pan. You also get this nice little silicone heat pad to put underneath here. And one more thing, this is the locking bungee. It has the 2 sides that hook over the handle that make sure that everything locks down compactly so that you can put it all together. It makes for easy carrying and transport. I have to say this is such a thoughtful set, and I'm really impressed with the quality. Of course, you come to expect it with a name like this, but this is awesome, and I can't wait to put it to use when my family and I go camping this weekend. If you want to know how all this works out in the wild, make sure you go check out my video, which is the review after use, and I'll let you know if this is going to be a family favorite at my house.